I am Madinath. I stay in Vidyanager. My house is in Vidyanager 6th Cross. I was looking for complete renovation of interiors of my ground floor. I was searching for a good designer in Google in Bangalore. Affordable and nice and very good with a very good review or above. So I came across corner joint in the Google. First I saw the reviews. Reviews were too good. So then I called them up. When I called them up, yes, the next day itself they sent one person for initial estimation and looking into what is required. So I was impressed because without any guarantee that I will take up the work with them, they sent one person who can give us a glimpse or estimation how it can. Initial estimation was good. He came when as promised, and then initial estimation went shoot up because of we visited their office, and then there were some changes made, some changes in the materials and panel and all we added. Because of that one it got some shoot up, but still the price is reasonable I consider. And they started the work as per the schedule and they finished it with neat and clean. All the work what I have seen, it's really nice and fantastic, and I am happy with the final work. Thank you, Narendra sir.